question. I am Hanna, ACCA student from India. Can I work in an auditing company as external auditor or tax analyst like the Big Four, who is not directly involved in recording riba but have to check the accounts including that of riba whether they are in accordance with the standards of financial reporting? Are such jobs equivalent to those of recording or witnessing riba transactions? I have one more doubt. Can you explain the jobs that are haram in finance? As it seems most of them are haram, as in India, most of the companies get interest to run business. Is it better for me to change my career to some other field? The question posed is that is it permissible for a Muslim to work in companies which are auditing companies like the Big Four, though they may not be directly involved in riba or in interest, but they may be doing the accounting and the auditing of companies which may be dealing in riba. As far as working in auditing companies which audit other companies and they may be involving in riba, is it permissible? Yes, it's permissible as a general rule. Because the core activity of that auditing company is to audit, it is not to deal in riba. What is prohibited is working in a company which is dealing in riba most. For example, you cannot work in a conventional bank on any post, whether as a clerk, whether as an accountant, whether as an auditor, because the core activity of that company, the bank, is riba based. Or working in a financial institution which is giving or taking interest, it is haram. Or working as an auditor in a company which core activity is haram, like an alcoholic company, it's haram. Or working in a company which is mainly producing pork items, it's haram. So working as an auditor in a company which is doing major activity as haram, that is haram. Not only as an auditor, it's haram to work as a clerk, it is haram to work as a sweeper, it is haram to work as a manager if the main activity of the company is haram. But here you are working for an auditing company. If that auditing company is doing audition of a company which is giving and taking riba, but if the riba that they're taking and giving is not the core activity, it becomes permissible. We are aware that most of the companies throughout the world, they take loans from the bank, but if the loan amount is a small amount or less than 1/3, then that doesn't become the core activity. It's permitted for you to do auditing of that company. If your auditing firm gets a client who are owning alcohol companies, then there may be a problem. So what you can do, that such companies in percentage would be very less. So you can always request the owner or the CEO of that auditing firm that please do not give me companies which are selling alcohol to audit. Don't give me auditing of those companies in which major activities are haram, like maybe gambling or maybe an alcoholic company or a conventional bank. If this you request, it's possible because most of the companies are not these companies. These companies which are haram are very small percentage. So see to it that you do not get involved in auditing the companies with major activities haram. But if it's other companies which are giving and taking interest on a smaller level, it's permitted. Think that your income is coming from the halal part of it. So you need not change your job. You can very well continue being an auditor or being a CA in the finance field, but just take care that directly do not work in alcoholic companies or companies which are involved in gambling or in haram activities. You can surely join other companies. If you are joining an auditing firm company, you are most welcome to audit all the types of company except those companies which are involving in haram activities directly. Hope that answers the question.